The business management course at UCB provides the opportunity for students to develop a range of skills effective for management in many types of businesses. So with that in mind, the type of modules that you'll be learning about on the course are things like operations and supply chain management, human resources, finance and accounting, marketing including digital, and then things like strategy as you move towards the final year of the programmes and innovation and creativity. So we have a wide range of facilities that are available for our students. We have the financial trading suite. It has workstations, it has giant wall screens, and this excellent live scrolling ticker that provides live financial global data. We have a digital creative studio, state-of-the-art video and audio production studio. And the third facility, which I think is really valuable, is what we call our Enterprise Hive. So for anybody who's a budding entrepreneur and has got a fantastic business idea, we offer one-to-one consultations, bespoke workshops, mentoring facilities for any student that wants to really take their business from the idea right through to creation. Future careers and opportunities for students will be things like sales management, project management, the consultancy route, and I've had opportunities with KPMG and PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. We also have graduate training schemes which are quite popular. There's a couple that our students have gone on to, including the Virgin Company and also Enterprise Rent-A-Car. So while studying on the business management course, students have an opportunity to engage with a professional placement where students can have a 48-week paid placement. When you finish and graduate, you really have those skills that have been embedded right across the programme, and those are transferable to any future career organisation that you go into.